along, let's go to the farm. So many animals with so much charm. Come along, let's go to the farm. So many animals with so much charm. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Learning is fun with a happy beat. Hey kids, are you ready? Let's meet the animals! On the farm we laugh and play, learning new things every day. Animals here, animals there, wave your hands up in the air. Here is the cow, big and slow, giving us milk, watch it go! Cow says moo moo, loud and clear. Can you say moo? Let me near. Here is the chicken, small and bright, laying eggs both day and night. Chicken says, cluck, cluck. Don't be shy. Flap your wings and give it a try. On the farm we laugh and play, learning new things every day. Animals here, animals there, wave your hands up in the air. Here's a sheep, soft and white, wool so fluffy, what a sight. Sheep says baa in the sun, say it with me everyone. Here is the dog running around, guarding the farm with a barking sound. Dog says, come on, let's get him. Strong and proud,
He's too fast.
let's all bark it nice and loud. On the farm we laugh and play, learning new things every day. Animals here, animals there, wave your hands up in the air. Here is the duck by the pond, swimming and splashing all day long. Duck says, don't be late, wiggle like a duck, sounds great. Here is the pig, rolling in mud, oinking happily with a thud. Pig says, oink, oink. Can you say, let's all oink and laugh today? On the farm we laugh and play, learning new things every day. Animals here, animals there, wave your hands up in the air. Here is the horse, fast and strong, running through fields all day long. Horse says neigh, neigh, hear the sound, gallop your feet on the ground. Here's the goat, climbing high, jumping around, oh my, oh my. Goat says, Mama! Loud and clear! Say it together so I can hear! Clap your hands and stomp your feet, turn around to the beat. Here is the cat, soft and small, chasing a ball down the hall. Cat says meow, meow, sweet and light, can you meow just right? Here's the rooster, up so high, wakes the farm at sunrise. Rooster says, cock-a-doodle-doo, let's all crow like roosters do. On the farm we laugh and play, we learn so much today. Animals big, animals small, we laugh the farm, we love them all. Clap your hands and shout hooray, we learned on the farm today. Moo moo, moo moo, boo boo, cluck cluck, cluck quack. Goodbye farm, see you soon, we'll be back with another tune.
This farm is so much fun. Bye, everyone.